Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. This is Samreen here, and today I'm gonna start lesson number 5. Okay, in your English second. Your book is New Mulberry, right? So I think you are not aware that 6 chapters are coming, 1 to 6. Okay, in your half yearly exam. So that is why I am going to start lesson number 5 today. Okay. So the name of the chapter is Little Red Hen. Little Red Hen. Okay. So students, before starting the chapter, I'm giving you one exercise which you can see, you know, when we start the chapter on page number 61, ki what you do in the morning, when you return from school, in the evening, or before you go to bed. So these you have to write by your own. Okay, fill it by your own. Now I'm going to start the chapter. This chapter is about a little red hen. Okay, who actually was very hard working. So let's read a play about little red hen who worked hard, her cheeks who helped her, and some lazy animals who did not help her. Okay, so the narrator means the author of the story. ओके, जिन्होंने ये स्टोरी लिखी है. सो द नरेटर इज सेइंग कि लिटिल रेड hen lived on a farm with her chicks, a cat, a goose and a rat. So there were 4 animals, a cat, a goose, okay, a rat and the little red hen with her chicks. Okay, then one day what happened, the little red hen found a grain. उसको एक अनाज का दाना मिला, गेहूं का दाना. She took the grain to the other farm animals and she asked them to help her, okay, to plant that grain. But what happened? Cat said, I won't, I'm too sleepy. And cat was already yawning sleepily. जमाई ले रही थी वो already. Okay, goose also said the same thing, putting his feet up. I won't, I'm too tired. Okay, now turn the page. And the rat also said the same, putting his hand behind his head. No, I won't, I'm too busy. Okay, so all three refused to help the hen. Now the little red hen said ki she said ki she herself will plant this grain. So the little red hen called her little chicks to help her. Together they hoed the field, means together they dug up the earth with the help of a hoe, which is a gardening tool, okay, which is used for gardening. Then soon, no, they all together planted that and then watered it each day. Then soon the wheat grew tall, yellow and ripe. Okay, it was ready. Once again, the little red hen went up to the other farm animals and asked their help to cut and thresh that wheat. But again, they replied in the same way. Ki cat said ki I am very sleepy. Goose said ki I am too tired. Rat said I am too busy. So again, the little red hen said ki okay, then she and her chicks will cut and thresh this wheat. Okay, then after cutting and threshing that wheat, the little chicks carried the stalk to the thresher. No, stalk means long thin stem on which the grain grow. Okay, and thresher who separates what, the grain from the stalk. Okay, so the thresher separated the wheat from the stalk. Soon they had a big sack of grain. Big sack of grain means, sack means bori. Okay, so they had a big sack of grain. Now turn the page. Now again the little red hen went to the other farm animals. Then he said ki who will help me to take this sack to the mill? Why? Because he wanted to take that one to grind those grains, right? So again the cat said ki I am too sleepy, goose said I am too tired, rat said I am too busy. So they said ki they won't help her. Then again she said ki okay, then my little chicks है ना, and I we will go and do our work. Then they again went to the miller to ground the grain into fine flour. Then the little red hen carried home the sack of flour. Okay, flour means atta. Okay, then who will help me? Again she asked to bake a loaf of bread. Bread का piece बनाने के लिए. Okay, who is going to help me? Again they replied in the same way. Then again the little red hen and the chicks, she said ki okay, then I and my chicks will be baking a loaf of bread. Then narrator says ki little chicks loved to help in the kitchen. They mixed and kneaded. Kneaded means they pressed, folded with hands to make what? And even shaped the dough, आटा. उसको उन्होंने गूंदे हुए आटे को जब हम बोलते हैं तो they shaped it properly and into a loaf and baked it. And it was a lovely warm loaf of bread. It smelled delicious. It was finally ready. Now the little red hen said, who will eat this loaf of bread? Then all three of them, cat, I will, sitting up and licking her lips. अपने lips को चाटने लगी. Then goose rushing forward, भागता हुआ, I will. Rat rubbing his palms, again, I will. They all are ready to have the loaf of bread. Then the little red hen said, no, my chicks, and I will eat this loaf of bread. So the narrator says here that the little red hen called her chicks and they ate the lovely warm bread. And all three of them were looking them, like they could not do in that anything, okay, because they did not help the little red hen, right? Now come to the quick answers, making connections, okay. Basically this story tells us ki when we are lazy and when other works, so we will feel shame after that and we are not going to get at the end, right? So you should work hard to get good marks instead of looking ki how others are getting, right? You should work for your own betterment, okay. So the first one is the cat, the goose and the rat are, yes, they are sleepy and tired. Little red hen works hard, right? She wants others to do her work? No. Wants a farmer to give her bread? No. Okay. Now, see the next page, students. This exercise also we will do counting things. A sack of flour, you can see here, a grain of wheat, a loaf of bread. Means we are having particular word for some particular things. So here are two columns we have to match. A glass of milk, you can see here, a slice of cake, a tube of toothpaste, a bar of chocolate, a sheet of paper, a jar of jam. So you have to complete your work till here. Okay, as well as you have to do word meanings in your fair notebook. You have to read the chapter once again, understand the chapter once again. Okay, you can clear your doubts in your live classes. Alright, in the next video I'll be giving you the remaining part of this chapter. Okay, till then everyone, please complete your work and study well. Thank you.